How to use offline Google Maps. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to download and use Google Maps offline so you can navigate even without the internet. Super handy when traveling or in areas with bad service. So let's jump in. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi because downloading maps can use a lot of data. Here, search for the place you need. Could be a city, a specific region, or just a spot you're visiting soon. Tap on the place name at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the menu and look for Download Offline Map. Tap it. Adjust the area by pinching and zooming if needed. Once you're happy, hit Download. Now just wait while the map saves to your phone. The time depends on how big the area is and how fast your internet is. Once it's downloaded, you're good to go. Even without the internet, you can search places, get directions, and navigate like normal. Just make sure your location GPS is on. Now, to find your saved maps, simply tap your profile pic in the top right corner. Select Offline Maps. There's everything you downloaded. And that's it! Now you'll never get lost, even without Wi-Fi. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.